So I've seen like 2 videos on Instagram where somebody goes and thrifts a photo and then they actually paint on it. And of course, they've been in Halloween themed. So I wanted to do something like that, but a little bit different. I wanted to do it where anybody could do it. So if you're like, oh, but I'm not a painter, but that's such a cute idea. Well, we are going to use the rub-ons from Dollar Tree, which hopefully everybody is finding this year. I know last year it was like Mission Impossible, so hopefully you're getting some this year. So this is what we are going to play with. This whole thing cost me a whole whopping $2. And like I said in my haul, I think this is like real quality wood here. So this is really nice. I'm guessing it's a little bit older. So we are just going to go ahead and pop open all these little like brackets here. So I'm just taking the scissors and just, you know, getting under that metal and pushing them up. So I'm going to open this all up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I got all of that all lifted up, we are just going to take this backing off. Oh, this is a photo. I thought it would be like some kind of like fancy like gallery thing that somebody did. So does that mean that this is from January of this year and it already ended up in the thrift store? Is that what that means? But it looks like an old photo, you know? So I'm kind of surprised. So here is our little glass. It's got like a little like, well, you probably can't tell. It's got like a little like texture to it. So I'm going to put this off to the side. Hopefully I don't break that. And then here's our photo that we're going to work with. I'm going to put that off to the side too. And then here are our sheets. Let me open these. Do you guys ever get something from the thrift store and just wonder what is the backstory? Like, that's what I feel about this. Like, I wonder what's the backstory. I feel like this has to be from, like, the early 90s, right? That's what it kind of reminds me of, because it's not, like, very fine detailed like cameras are nowadays. But this is what's throwing me off. You know, was that printed this year? Is that what that means? Or is it just a coincidence that that's on there? I have no idea. So here are our rub-ons that we're going to use. So it looks like there's like a little bit of like land right here. So I want to put one of the haunted houses in there. I'll probably do this one. I think that would look good. And then we'll have like the steps going down into the water. We have different jack-o'-lanterns. I think I'm going to go more spooky. So I'm going to go probably with these more than these friendly ones. And then let's see. There's some rocks over here. Oh no, that might be water. No, I think that's rocks. I think there's like a rock here, rock. Maybe like a little bit of land and rock over here. So maybe I'll put like a tombstone over there. And then definitely want to put like a bat maybe in one of the trees. Oh, there's spider webs. I'll put some of these spider webs in the corner. And maybe some of these ghosties. Oh, look, that little like crow. I could stick him on. There's like a little log. I'll stick him on the little log right there. Oh, there's a little mouse too. Maybe I'll put the mouse. There's like another little rock there. Okay, let's just start cutting. Let's just jump on into it. So I pulled out my tweezers and my bone folder to use to like rub. And then my scissors, of course, because I need to cut these images out. So for sure, I'm going to put this haunted house. So let's start with that one. And we'll go ahead and put that one. I want it kind of like where the steps go into the water. But I want the house to look like it's on the edge there. So I think about there would be good. I'm going to place that down. Hopefully I did that low enough. I don't think I did. I think it should have been a little bit lower, but I don't think, no, I'm not going to be able to peel that up. That is sticking right away. I could already see like right here where I try to like lift it up, like some of it already detached. So I am not going to be able to pull that apart. Oh, actually, I can't see it unsticking. Like, normally on paper, you can see it get, like, frosty, meaning that your image has stuck to your paper, but I actually am not seeing that with this. Oh, this might be harder than I thought to figure out if it's pressed. Oh, but it is. It's actually pressing down really easy. So let me just kind of go over it. Oh, I shouldn't probably be putting my hands all over it. Even though I washed my hands right now, I'm sure I still have like oils and grease just naturally on my hands. I don't want to get that all over my photo either. Oh yeah, that peeled off real easy. Oh, see, I would have wanted to come. I could see a little bit of the shore right there. I would have wanted to come. I should have angled it just, you know, to kind of match the little shoreline there. So that was my fault. I didn't line that up the way I wanted to. Let's see. There's a little mouse here. I could probably put him on the log. Let me see if there's anything else that I'd want to put on that log. No, I don't think so. I'll probably go with that little mouse. Yeah, I'll go with the smaller one. So I'll put that one down right away. And then I definitely want to do some of these ghosties. Oh, there's a moon. Oh, yeah. Let's see. There's two. I can kind of cut the other one off of the house. But see, this one's like attached to the house. So I think I'm going to leave that one whole. And then I'll just cut this moon out and put it like maybe over here. So let's put this guy down. I'm going to make sure I line him up good. I'm going to have his tail kind of hanging off the edge of the log there. That looks good. Oh yeah, these are sticking nicely because it's like a glossy photo. I think it's sticking down really nice. So he's hanging out on the log. Then I wanted to put one of the crows on that rock, but I also have this really cool cat that I want to include. Where should I put the cat? There's like another one, another rock over here. Am I in frame? Sorry if I'm not. Maybe I'll put the cat over here on this side. I think I want this like tombstone thing down here though. Let's put that one next. Okay. So this looks like it's like got a little bit of water on there, but like it's like a rock. See, it's like rock, rock, rock. So the frame is going to cover some of this. So I want to make sure I don't put it right down in the corner, but still close enough to the corner. I think we're going to lay that one there. I wish it was a little bit smaller. Oh, was this one smaller? Oh, see, I should have used this one. This one is actually smaller than this one that I used. Oh, well. Live and learn, right? Okay, yeah. I need to rub some of this out because all of it's sticking. That's the good thing. If you don't pull it all the way off, like right here, you can see that the flame didn't come off compared to right here where it's a little bit foggy. So that's good if you don't like rip it all off really fast. You can just go ahead and lay it back down and then press it. And then it should come off. See? Now it just came right off. So let's just slowly peel everything else away. Make sure everything else comes off nice and clean. And we're good. So we got our little like tombstone down over here in this little rocky area. I do want to put the cat somewhere. Maybe I'll put the cat like over here. What else could I add? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the cat like in this area. There's like something weird right here, like a scratch, and I don't like that. So I definitely want to cover that. So we are gonna put Mr. Meow over that scratch. Get real close in there. Oh, there's like a tiny little bat right there. I didn't even notice him earlier. That's cool. And then we're gonna put a bunch of like ghosties and bats on here as well. So Mr. Meow Meow is going to cover up that scratch. Just be kind of floating over there on that little rock. So I'm gonna use the bone folder better. Hopefully all of that came off well. Let's see. Looks good. Perfect. Oh, I like him. He looks cool. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. We have all this like open water. Do we just put like a cauldron just hanging out in there? Or should we put like some of the pumpkins just hanging out? Oh, I wanted to put a bird over there. Maybe we'll do some potion bottles. Because like we have like a whole like little potion bottles. Or should we put like potion bottles next to the house? But the potion bottles are almost the same size as the house. Oh, look, there's an owl over here. Is there a branch like up in the tree? He's huge. See, the proportion size aren't correct, but does it really matter? We have this like giant owl to this little branch. I don't know. Maybe I'll do some pumpkins down here. I don't know. I feel like something needs to be in the middle. What do you guys think? Maybe I should try doing these on a live so you guys can tell me what to do, huh? That probably would have been a better idea. Let's cut out, and I want to put the spider webs. I love me some spiders. So let's put those. Oh, there's a tiny little skull right there too. You want to put a little skull over here. Where can we have this like spider web hang off? Maybe just up in the corner. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it though. Just like chilling in this corner. I don't know. We'll see if that works. No, but I don't think you can see that. You can see the spider, but I don't think you can see the spider web. So I'm not gonna put the other one down on that side. Okay, let's see. We'll do the baby skull down with my little cemetery. Uh-oh. Oh, there he is. So we'll put him down over here. Maybe right there. I wonder how it's gonna look layering a rub-on on top of a rub-on. Oh, that worked out nicely. I like it. Where did I put my mess? Okay, I really need more here. That's like bugging me. The water's just all open. And then I said I was gonna put a bird. So the only bird that's like facing to the left is this larger one. So I think I'm gonna put him down. I want him facing into the picture. There's some spiders. I could throw some spiders up in those trees. Yeah, I think the spiders will show through. We'll try it right now. So let's see. We're gonna put this dude right there on that little rock island thing. Perfect. Oh no, I cracked him. Oh well. Let's see, and then I need some like little pumpkins. What can I put in the water? That's gonna bug me. Let's do some little ghosties. Oh, the moon. I wanted to do the moon. And then let's put some little ghosties in here as well. So I want those to go together, but I don't want that one in my moon. I want my moon separate. So we're gonna cut this one out. Perfect. Okay. And put this over here so I don't lose that. And then, yeah, I think my moon's gonna go right there. Let's put that. How do we want them? I think chilling like that will be good. I feel like that just gouges the photo. Just need something softly to rub over it. Perfecto. Okay. Ooh, those would probably look good like floating. No, not in the water. That's white on white. Can I just put like the cauldron hanging out in the water? Probably, right? Oh lordy, this video is taking long. Okay, let me pause this and finish and then we'll be back. Okay, so this is what I have going on. Now, I should have stuck with my first instinct, and the first thing I'm going to do was stick this cauldron into the water, and I should have just done that, but I didn't go with it, and what I did was I put down the snake, and then I put down the little jack-o'-lanterns on top of the snake, so it kind of looked like the snake was peeping out from behind the jack-o'-lantern. But because the snake was black and these are orange, you could actually see the snake coming through the little jack-o'-lantern, so I didn't like it. So then I went back to my first idea of putting down the cauldron, and then now I just don't like the middle anymore. So I tried to fix it, but you can see like my little mouse is now hidden behind the broom. And then I even put the cauldron in a little bit crooked, but I guess it could be crooked because the water's flowing right. And then I threw the little eyeballs that were left. I did put a spider here, some ghosties, some bats. Over here, I added the little tombstone because remember, I didn't like that I had missed lining up my house with the shoreline. So to hide that mistake, I put the little tombstone with the plant, and then I put a little mousey over here. Spiders, I love me some spiders, so I put a spider over here, some ghosties. There's that crow I had done over there, and then I kind of went all out on this corner. So if you can see right here, oops, if you can see right here, that's missing is this little mouse. So I stuck him down here. I didn't realize that he was on a white background. I thought it was just clear. So I kind of don't like him, but I don't want to like keep adding stuff. I did put this extra spider on top of the tombstone. Over here, I try to do like if a witch was like conjuring like a little spell. So I put her crystal ball and then with like her spell book, but then it was just like too much white over here with the spell book. So then I put a feather to kind of break that up and cover it. So I love how that looks like that better. And then down in this corner, I did the potion bottles with the little skull like hanging up against the bottles, and then there was this like little black butterfly, so I stuck it like if it landed on the skull. And then here is my cat. So overall, here is my picture that I added everything to. I love everything but the center, and isn't that awful? Like the center is like your main focal point, and that's the part that I like the least. Like, oh, I should have just left it blank instead and just put like little floating eyeballs in the water. But it is what it is. I don't think I could take it off. I mean, maybe I could like get some like little alcohol, try to rub it off. And look, I did get some of the little rub-on my fingers as well. And this is what I have left over. I used a lot of it. This was more like fun, and I didn't want that. I wanted more like creepy vibes. So yeah, I used a lot of it. I'm so proud of myself. There's this one with like 3 little dots that I want to add somewhere just because I know I'll end up losing it. So I don't know, maybe I'll put it like on the tombstone or something. I don't know where to add it. Just 3 little dots floating in the water. I don't know, maybe I'll do that. But yeah, if you guys would add anything else, what would you add? What would you have done in the center? Because I don't like my center. So tell me what you would have done there. Or if you have an idea on how I can fix this, let me know, because I would love to fix it. But yeah, I think this was really fun. You know, I got to hang out, do a little bit of crafting, and make a video with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.